Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a starter pack in Blue Sky. So from your homepage, go to Profile. From here, we go to Starter Packs. Here, it will give us the option where Blue Sky will make one for you, or you can create your own. For this demonstration, we will create our own. So just type something random in here, first thing that comes to my head. And then here, pick accounts that are related to your subject. Pick one more to continue. Once you have picked the number, it will let you continue. And here you can choose some feeds. So let's look. 30 guitars. Beautiful. You can click finish here. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. Thank you.